Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I want to talk to you about tetrasodium EDTA. It's a synthetic chelator. This chelator is used in cosmetic and personal care products. It's a binding metal of ions. Okay, it helps to prevent deterioration of skin, and it mainly really helps to improve the feel of your skincare product. It also helps to boost the property of your preservative. Now, a lot of people are worried about this chelator because it's synthetic. There are a lot of safety concern about it, so that's why a lot of people do not really like using it. So if you're making natural skincare product, this chelator is not acceptable in the natural skincare. And when you're making this, you have to be careful with this chelator. If it get into your skin, it can really hurt you. I had a personal experience with it once. This chelator is very dangerous. Synthetic, it acts very fast. It cut me. I beat on the hand. So be careful when you're working with it. It's not accepted in the natural industry. I don't use it to make my client's skincare product. Even though I tried it one day to just see how it reacts very fast. You only need tiny amount. Now the good news is there's a better alternative to sodium EDTA. So I'm going to push this aside. If you're making natural skincare product, you want to go with DERMOFEEL PA. It's also called sodium, or it's also called, I think, DERMOFEEL PA is also called sodium PHYTATE. Okay, so if you make it, this is liquid form, all natural, no safety concern whatsoever. So you want to consider this if you are making natural skincare. You want a good chelator, no drama whatsoever. Please consider using sodium PHYTATE. It's also called DERMOFEEL PA-3. So this is exactly what you use. We usually use it at the rate of 0.10% in the water phase. You can use it more than 0.10%. Even though people use DERMOFEEL, they use tetrasodium EDTA at 0.20%. That's on the synthetic side. But you want something more safe and natural, no drama whatsoever, go for DERMOFEEL PA at 0.10% in your water phase. I use this all the time to improve, to boost the property of my preservative, and also to increase the skin feel. Okay, tetrasodium EDTA have is a lot of safety concerns. Sometimes it's said that it covers the skin, it blocks the skin. So why use something that blocks the skin? A lot of synthetic skincare product brand use it, but natural products do use DERMOFEEL. So a good alternative to sodium EDTA is DERMOFEEL PA-3. So consider that going forward. Look in the description box below for my list of suppliers and where you can get DERMOFEEL PA. Thank you so much for watching. Want to learn more about natural skincare product, how to formulate great and stable natural skincare products? So visit naturalskincareschool.com today, and remember to click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new video. Thanks for watching, everyone.